Pawan Khera, to you first, because at the moment it appears that the Congress says it's going to launch an ideological challenge to the BJP. I heard Rahul Gandhi's statement today saying those who are scared of the RSS can leave. But you first need to get your own house in order, don't you? In Punjab, your own chief, you can't get your house in order. In Rajasthan, you can't get your house in order. And you're going to take on the RSS BJP, Mr. Khera?
Historically, Rajdeep, who has kept the RSS in check and saved this country from the RSS, saved the soul of this country from the RSS? It's not the communists, it's not Rajdeep Sardesai, I'm sure you must have contributed, but it's the Congress party, historically. And RSS is, to me, it's the biggest enemy of the nation. Rahul Gandhi and a lot of us in the Congress realized it in the first tenure of Mr. Modi, that this is not merely a change of government which happens after elections. This is a change in a regime. This will be an attempt to subjugate our institutions to the designs of the RSS. RSS and BJP, not dependent on their allies, is different from RSS and BJP dependent on allies like during the Atal Bihari Vajpayee regime. Now, the Mukhotas will go. In 2014, we realized it. कि अब मुखौटों का स्थान नहीं, अब असली चेहरा दिखेगा, और वो दिखा. Whether it's the mandate of 14, whether it's the mandate of 2017 in Uttar Pradesh, whether it's the mandate of 2019, you've seen with increasing seats, the confidence with which they shed the mukhota and brought the real face has increased, and the institutions have really been subjugated by the RSS designs.
But Mr. Khera, Mr. Khera, all of that sounds very well. The fact is, let me point out the facts on the ground. 2014, y'all were demolished by the BJP in the 2014 general election. 2019, you slipped to your lowest ever tally of over 50 odd seats. In 175 out of the 180 odd seats where there was a direct Congress BJP contest in 2019, the BJP won in many of them. You're lost by more than 15 to 18%, often lost deposits. So if you claim you have an ideological challenge, you need a strategy. You don't seem to have a strategy. It seems the height of entitlement to say all those who want to go can go. But what is the strategy?
Rajdeep, thank you for acknowledging that there is ideological clarity in the Congress. Now you feel that where we are missing is the strategy. Perhaps you're right. Maybe, yes, we should have better strategy, and that's how one evolves. It's a dynamic organization. Every organization is dynamic. The country is dynamic. We need to understand where have we failed in connecting with the youth of this country. Where are we able to articulate our ideology as clearly as the other side does? These are challenges that we need to accept. I won't shy away from these challenges. Yes, these are challenges. I won't say I failed. I would say, yes, I have a room for improvement, and I will improve, and I am improving, and I will definitely evolve a better strategy, perhaps a better communication strategy, perhaps a better electoral strategy. Whatever needs to be done will be done to defeat an unelected force called the RSS, unregistered organization called the RSS. BJP is incidental.
Okay,
the real enemy is RSS. बीजेपी से तो हम लड़ लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, हरा भी देंगे. प्रॉब्लम है कि जो विचारधारा की लड़ाई है, उसमें हमें आरएसएस को वापस से अपने पिंजरे में भेजना है, जहां वो हमेशा रहे. हिंदुस्तान ने कभी आरएसएस को पिंजरे से बाहर नहीं आने दिया.
Okay, one minute. Mr. Khera, I think now you must give equal